morning everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna start off by getting some gas, and I need to go back to a mall to return some clothes. Bruh, this road is so shit. Like I can feel every single bump on my back. Like you make new roads out here, you know? But it's too early. I know it's like 11 o'clock, but like it feels like my eyes are closing. Like I just need some Starbucks. Yeah, you already know your boy out here with the designer clothing. So I had two of these. You've seen like one of them I've been wearing around. I'm gonna keep that one since I've been wearing that. I'm gonna return this one. It was a large. I'm gonna try getting an extra large, you know, because I'm fat, but it's okay, you know. I gotta eat good sometimes in life. Gotta exchange, but it seems like Starbucks is closed. Like, no! Gotta go to a different one. I'm spotting a red Mustang. Woo! Hella clean. You already know the wing has been fixed as well. Look at that. Woo! Woo! It's perfect. If you guys are wondering what mall I came to, it's the Auto Mall in Sac. It's not too great, it's not too good, it's not too bad either. It's alright. Yeah, so we did end up exchanging the large with an extra large. The large did fit me, it's just that I don't want it to shrink because whenever I wash it or like put it in the dryer, my clothing usually shrinks, and I just don't like want to waste money like that, you know. Driving while I'm in class and I'm like drinking Starbucks, like, oh my god. Alright guys, now we're at downtown Ford. I need to get my car serviced. This is probably gonna be my last service at Ford, just because I'm gonna be like modding my car after this, so I wouldn't really want to trust Ford handling my car after it's modded. Right now it's stock, so yeah, getting a service now. I'm gonna drop it off like this. Okay, now I'm just standing here. I dropped off my car right there, and they're gonna clean my crankcase. I'm also getting my throttle body cleaned. It's a couple $100, but yeah. But I'm also waiting for my Uber to come too. I want to go back home, so
expensive over there. Yeah, I'm sharing for 2 years.
2 years?
2 years I'm sharing with people.
Oh wow.
I'm tired for sharing. I move here, Sacramento is much cheaper. You know, I pay here 1,080.
Yeah.
And over there is a sharing. 1,080.
Yeah, but now we made it back home. That was a weird Uber drive. The guy kept looking at me up and down, which was super weird, but yeah. You already know we gotta eat good. I'm here with my sister, but we're gonna eat some Hawaiian barbecue. That shit is good. Round 2 of Starbucks. I feel like my family is addicted to Starbucks, honestly. Well, I got my car back. Yeah, as I said before, I got my crankcase cleaned up. My throttle body cleaned up. It was okay. It was pretty much gonna be the last service from Ford. They did well to serve me, but you know, always gonna move on to the next big thing. Yeah, now we're just driving back home. It seems like this Honda Accord wants to go. Well, welcome back. I forgot to end the video last night. And no, I'm not going to turn the camera around because I look hideous. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.